Hey, it's Yvonne from Get Schooled, and in this video, I will share 4 meditation techniques that can help you as you start meditating. It can be easy to be in a go-go mindset all the time, but this can lead to feeling overwhelmed, feeling anxious, or feeling stressed. There are so many benefits to meditation, which might be why more than 500 million people around the world practice it on a regular basis. If you're unsure of where to start, guided meditation might be for you. Guided meditation involves listening to a person as they guide you when you meditate. There are also plenty of great videos, books, and apps. Check out the link in the description for a list of Get Schooled's favorite and free meditation and anxiety apps. If you're trying to take a break from screens, we recommend practicing meditation without an app. Find a comfortable and quiet place where you won't be interrupted. This could be your bedroom or somewhere quiet outside. Set a timer with a calming sound. Start out slow, 1 or 2 minutes at first, then gradually add more time. After you set your timer, close your eyes and take deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Focus on your breathing and the air flowing into and out of your lungs. Another way to practice meditation is through journaling. Journaling can help you reflect on your day, process your thoughts and decisions, or even help you set goals. To start, grab a piece of paper, pen, and start with a prompt like, today I'm feeling, or today I'm thinking about, or even things I'm grateful for. Let your writing flow and try not to cross out or erase what you've written. When you felt you've written everything on your mind, read back what you've written down and reflect. If it helps you, you can set a timer. Lastly, you can meditate through movement. Tuning into your body and breath through movement is a great form of meditation. Going on a walk, for a run, or practicing yoga are great movement meditation practices. Use this time to reflect on your day, clear your mind, or simply enjoy the fresh air. I hope I've mentioned a meditation technique you find helpful. If you have questions or want more resources, text HELLO to 335577. For the latest Get Schooled videos, be sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You can also visit getschooled.com for more resources.